So this has very little to do with my normal content, but I needed to post this because it was driving me crazy. I subscribed to some channels through Amazon and I was trying to cancel my Star subscription. So they've changed the UI a bit. And now if you go to if you're not at this page, if you go to Amazon and you go to accounts and lists, memberships and subscriptions, click on that and it'll take you to this page. Then find the subscription that you're trying to cancel. Go to this app subscription settings, select it. And now it's kind of misleading because it doesn't show cancel as an action. What you need to do, and I've already canceled mine, so I'm not going to do anything here, but you need to turn off auto renewal. That will essentially cancel. I'll show you through my Peacock subscription here. Turn off auto renewal. And if you turn off the auto renewal, continue to cancel. And now auto renewal has been turned off, and that essentially will cancel the subscription. The wording is different than it used to be, so it's a little bit misleading, but that is how you do it. Okay, bye.